This content is brought to you by Mazundar Academy.
Hello everyone. This lecture is a continuation of the previous lecture. Like we studied only vector in the previous lecture, that is lecture number 5, and today also it is a continuation of that. So today we will see list, then matrix, then data frame, and vectors and arrays. So let's start list. So what is list? A list is a collection of similar or different type of data. The elements inside the list can be a vector, can be a function, or even can be another list. And the syntax of that, name of the list, then list is the function which will create the list, then elements, whatever the elements you have, you will pass as an argument separated by comma. What is the difference with vector? The list, you can keep multiple data type data. Some of the data can be integer, some can be character, some can be double. So list will not change the data type. We can see it from this example. The L1 is a list created using the function list, and then 2L is the integer data, 3 is double, 5.8 double, I is character, 11 to 15 this is a vector. So different types of data we have stored in the variable L1 through a list. So if you run this, you can see print L1. So first item is 2 is an integer, then 3, then 5.8. It did not change the data type. Whatever you passed, it is remains same. Vector remains vector. And the type of this L1 variable is a list data type. Next, we can keep even vector, matrix, string, numeric data, etc. as an element of a list. Then concatenating lists. Suppose I have already created L1 and let me create another list L2. So L2 equal to list 5, 6. These are the two items just I have taken. So if I want to concatenate, then again C function C, L1, L2 and store it to another list. So L3 is also a list. It is a concatenated list. So this 5 and 6 will be appended to L1. So if you run, you can see these 5 and 6 added at the end of the list L1. Now sometime we need, for our easy vector operations, we need to reconvert from a list or unlist the data to a vector. So what is the function? Unlist. Unlist is the function. So if you apply unlist to a list, then the data will be converted to a vector. So you can see here, if you run, so all the data item 2, 3, 5.8, high, 11, 12, all converted from the list to a vector. Now it is a vector. UL is a vector. And if you want to see the type, what type of vector? It is a character vector. Because of one character item, all other elements converted to character. That we have seen during creation of vector. This is an example where we applied list. For example, Ahmad wrote a list of days as Sunday, Monday, Thursday. He want to add Tuesday, Wednesday at the correct order of the weeks, days of the list. Write our program to do the task and print the weekdays. So first Sunday, Monday and Thursday we have added in a list and the list name is days. Then after that we want to append the missing days, Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday and Wednesday we put in a vector and append operation will be applied. That means append function will be used. So these 2 days will be appended with days, and where? After means location, after equal to 2, because after Sunday, Monday, after Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday will sit. So after equal to 2 and then print. So if you run this code, you can see it is a list of all the days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So this is one of the question very frequently asked by students. So what is the difference between the list and vector? A list holds different data such as numeric, character, logical, whereas vector stores elements of the same type or converts implicitly. Lists are recursive, whereas vectors are not. The vector is one-dimensional, whereas the list is a multi-dimensional object. So these are the some of the difference between lists and vector.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get the latest update.